Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday morning, May 5th, a stormy morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Heavy rainfall associated with a strong low pressure area to our west. Some strong thunderstorms are now moving into the DC metro region. Certainly there can be strong thunderstorms later today in Philadelphia and New York City. All areas along the I-95 corridor region from DC to Philadelphia to New York City will get a heavy rainfall. The steadiest and heaviest rain during the morning and midday hours, but there can be some heavy showers and even some strong thunderstorms later this afternoon into the evening hours. All of this is followed by an extended period of cooler than normal weather beginning this weekend and going into the latter part of next week. This is the latest weather pattern here in terms of the pressure grading here in the Mid-Atlantic region, the Northeast U.S. Low pressure situated right over here over western part of West Virginia. On the eastern side of this particular storm, we have a nice fetch of air out of the south and out of the southeast. In other words, Gulf moisture is involved, Atlantic moisture is involved, and the result is some heavy rainfall. As these winds continue to strengthen out of the south and southeast, lower atmosphere temperatures will warm up, and that'll cause some instability, increasing instability, and some thunderstorms are already breaking out in the DC metro region. Any of these storms can produce some wind gusts up to 50 or 60 miles per hour. And again, that threat for strong thunderstorms will push up the I-95 corridor region into Philadelphia and New York City later in the day. All areas getting a heavy rain event on this particular day as we end the work week. Now here's the latest radar loop, and this area right here has some embedded strong thunderstorms right now moving into the southern half of the DC metro region. Again, some of this strong thunderstorm activity can move up into southeastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey, New York State later on today. Now the steadiest, heaviest rain will end by midday, but then there will be some scattered showers and perhaps some strong thunderstorms during the afternoon into the evening hours. Again, the steadiest rain will occur over the next several hours. Well, let's take another look at the upper air pattern. Again, this is a tremendous upper level low for this time of the year, situated down here in the the deep south. Surface low pressure right now in this region right here over West Virginia. And again, along the coast there are southerly winds both at the surface and in the mid and upper parts of the atmosphere, trying to force warmer air up along the Atlantic seaboard, and the result will be convective activity. Strong thunderstorms are likely to form, especially south of the Mason-Dixon line, and indeed there are some strong thunderstorms right now headed into the DC metro region, and they could spread all the way up to New York City by later this morning into the afternoon hours. Let's move forward here in 6-hour increments. These maps on tropicaltidbits.com. That deep upper level low just shifts slowly to the north and east. This is now Saturday morning, and it just sits and spins over the northeastern U.S. We've talked about this for several days now. An omega pattern in terms of the wind flow in the upper part of the atmosphere. These are 500 millibar height anomalies. An omega blocking pattern causes systems at the surface to be very slow moving. This deep upper level low will have an impact on the northeast U.S. for days to come. Again, the steadiest, heaviest rainfall during the morning and midday hours, but there can be some showers and thunderstorms this afternoon into the evening. Any of those could produce some heavy rainfall, and any thunderstorm can produce some damaging wind gusts. A very, very stormy day to end the work week. And then an extended cooler than normal period begins this weekend and goes well into the latter part of next week. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.